Hi everyone, it's Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, and today I'm going to be viewing a property at 2427 Chase Avenue in Sanford, Florida. You can tell this is a nice little residential street. There's several 2 units here, which is what we're looking at today. So this is the front unit, and we're going to be looking at the one in the back. So you can see you've definitely got plenty of parking and a little carport. Of course, this is the same style next door. They've got their carport fixed up as a little patio area. So that's a fun idea too. So we're gonna walk into the living room area. There we go, that's better. You can go straight through to your dining room. We've got all tile flooring. We've got like a beige tile with the pale gray walls. Nice oversized galley kitchen, brand new stove, brand new dishwasher, nice double stainless steel sink. Guessing the refrigerator's probably brand new too. Then this is wonderful out here, right off the kitchen. You have a little laundry room. So how wonderful is that to have your own washer and dryer area? Then you've got a little bit of storage over here with your hot water heater. And then for easy access, you've got the second door here. That just goes right around to your parking area. So that's a little closer when you're trying to bring your groceries in. So very nice, cute, efficient kitchen. Look at the other rooms first. And good sized living room. Got plenty of wall space to work with and some nice natural light. Looks like this has all vinyl clad double paned windows. So this is the back bedroom. I think the bedrooms are pretty much the same size. And they carried those colors right through the home. Big double closet. Goes all the way back, so nice closet space. Got a linen closet out in your hallway. That gives you a little extra storage there. A nice tiled bathroom. More vanity. And again, second bedroom. This is on the front of the unit. This might be a tiny bit smaller, but not much. Yeah, I guess maybe this is a couple tiles shorter. It's still a good size room to work with. So that would actually, the back one would be your master. Nice ceiling fan in the living room. And we'll take a look at the patio. Oh, is that a big banana palm? That's wonderful in Florida-like. So we got a cute little backyard area here. Small patio. Don't know what the broken pieces are, but those can go away. We got a good place for a grill and table and chairs, and So that concludes our tour. So again, this is 2427 Chase Avenue in Sanford, Florida. If you have any questions, give me a call. Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, 386-243-2000. Thank you.